Focus on being productive instead of just being busy. Madalas kasi sinasabi natin busy ako, busy tayo, dami ginagawa. Pero alam din natin yung totoo. Focus natin yung pagiging productive. Productive meaning you're doing something because you have a greater purpose. You have a better understanding of what's going to happen next after that action. Versus just doing things, being busy, tapos sobrang pagod ka, pero hindi ka sure sa results. Tapos hindi mo makukuha yung results na ina-expect mo. Just because kulang ka sa planning. Very important na intentional. Very important na productive ka versus just being busy. So, paano mo ba make sure na productive ka? Plan ahead your time, plan ahead your results, forward thinking. Dalasan mo pag plano, pag pre-prod, isipin mo yung mangyayari pag ito yung pinili ko, isipin mo yung mangyayari pag ito yung ginawa ko, ano yung mangyayari pag ito, all that. Lahat yan, guys. Lahat yan, kailangan yung paulit-ulit na isipin. Sanayin mo yung sarili mo mag-isip ng mabilis para hindi rin time consuming, di ba? At hindi ka rin mapapagod mag-isip. Stay productive. Busy is okay, but productive is better. Ay.